Huh? This isn't where I'm supposed to be. I'm looking for the Eminence there, not 1990s London Underground. And more importantly, abandoned London Underground. Where is everyone? It's what? 5 o'clock? Rush hour. What the? Now that is strange. Wait, what's that I smell? That can't be. Time energy. And it can't be energy from the TARDIS, so... Interesting. Oh, I'm so sorry. You've been there for a while, haven't you? Tried to get back in time on the mission, but it broke. Now you're stuck in a constant cycle of pain. The manipulator's fused itself to the tracks, disorientated your form into this image, constantly repeating itself. Well, not anymore. You're free. You could feel it, couldn't you? The pain she was feeling. Through time. That's why you brought me here, wasn't it? Wherever she is, I hope she's at peace. Right, old girl. We have a job to do. And let's get it done.